Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to be the first to watch when we upload any new content. Also check out our website on mmkforexgroup.co.za. That's mmkforexgroup.co.za. Hi guys, welcome back. We're back with another video. Hope you guys had a great trading week and hope the year is looking good for you so far. All right, so today we're basically going to do some trade recaps on some trades that we took this week. So basically the first pair we're going to look at, right, I have some markups on some pairs. We're going to look at GJ last and go through it and explain why I want to see a move from these points of interest. But the first one we're going to start with is Euro JPY. This was actually one of the trades that we sent in our free Telegram channel. All right, if you haven't joined that, do find it do find the link in the description below. Right, do find the link in the description below. All right, so basically this is what I had. If you can analyze this pair, we can definitely see that we had a nice break of structures to the downside, right? And I wanted to see the market move from this area down to these lows down there. So let us go to a chart, right? So we can just look at it, and if we look at this from the 4-hour time frame, right? I just want to explain the reason why I wanted to look for shorts on this, right? We can all see that we had this area right here, right? We had a nice change of structure there. You can see we've got a nice break of structure there. Right. After the break of structure, right, this OB, right, it's not really clear in the H4, but in a time frame like your 2-hour time frame or your 1 hour, to refine it even more, so let us check the 1 hour time frame. There we go. So we had a nice, nice area right here. As you can see, we also had that area being tested. So when I marked up this chart right here, right, as you can see, market already played around those highs and was now at a nice OB. So some people might ask me why I chose this OB. So let me go back to the H1 time frame. You might ask why I chose this OB instead of this one, right? So as you can see, this area had already been mitigated, right? A nice supply zone right there. And as you can see, we had some reactions right there. Right? This base area was weakening, right? Once a base area starts weakening, then there's a higher chance of us seeing that area being broken. So you can see the reactions there. This area is no longer fresh, right? So as you can see, we had a nice sell structure, a drop, base drop with a nice imbalance, right? As you can see, we had a nice bearish engulfing to the downside, right? And we moved all the way down, resulting in a new low. So we had a new lower low, and as you can see, we had good price approach. I love the price approach back to the area. But why did I use this area? Remember, for more confluence, we had weakening base at this area, multiple hits, a drop, base drop. So this zone, this was the zone responsible, right, for the break of these structures and the formation of a new low, right? And that is the reason why I wanted to see the market get to the zone. So yes, I actually did send this signal also to my private group, right? I sent this out to my private group, and yes, nice executions there. It was a nice trade. So let me walk you through it. As you can see, from this zone right here, we had markets coming back to this area. If you can go to the M30 to get a better picture of what happened. See, this was the zone. Market got into the zone, mitigated this area right here, and we went all the way to this target, right? I'm still holding this trade personally, but our target here was 129 pips, so I'm still holding this one. Right? I'm more of a swing trader. I love swings, right? And this was very clear to see, right? So right now I'm floating over 240 pips plus. Right, so this is a nice trade, but this is all broken down by understanding your higher time frame and structure. Right, remember, I always preach the importance of being selective. Right, so this is a nice trade, an amazing trade that we had there. And I also had a markup. I also took this trade, and that was on CAD JPY. Alright, as you can see, price had already moved when I got to my charts, and I wanted to see this area get tested again and see a move down to these lows, right? And let us check CAD JPY. CAD JPY also amazing, right? This is in the daily time frame. I mean, just from looking at this from the daily time frame, it was easy to see that price was at a nice order block, right? Not clean, but tradable. Okay, so let us go to the H1 time frame. There. So I got to my charts around this area. Remember, I got it right about here, and I wanted to see this area get tested. And as you can see, price did play around, broke a few structures, and that area was definitely tested, right? And we had an amazing move down to the downside, and yeah, nice target over 140 pips, right? So this was amazing, guys. Very clear to see, right? I don't like confusing myself with confusing pairs. I keep it very simple, and I'm very selective. And along the way, we had good opportunities to look for shorts, right here, and nice opportunities to look for shorts, or even add on some trades as we as the trade played out. So that was also amazing for this week. And I also had a markup on this was GJ, right? I want to see price move back to this area because of a very simple reason, right? This structure here, right, broke this structure, broke these structures, and also gave us new lows, right? So I wanted to see the market move to that area up there. Unfortunately, price didn't make it up there, but directional wise, I was right about the direction, right? But remember, as for myself, I stick to rules. So if a trade doesn't reach that area, then I'm no longer interested in the pair. Yes, you can always look for opportunities to sell as the trade plays out, but I always want to look for those opportunities as the trade has already hit my point of interest. But this was also a nice move. Japanese pairs yen pairs were amazing, guys. Japanese yen pairs were okay. Right, they were okay this week. Very good opportunities that we had, and definitely also looking good for next week. So we'll see how that plays out for next week and how we can tackle that. But amazing moves that we had this week on these Japanese pairs. And also, I had a markup on the US dollar currency index. Right, I like looking at DXY, right? As I look for opportunities on your USD pair. So this is very simple. I wanted to see price move back to that area, my marked up zone, and see a reaction away from that. So I did not trade USD pairs because I had already, I got good opportunities on yen pairs. But as you can see on that markup, that's exactly, a nice reaction. There. That was definitely going to help you, look for opportunities on your pairs. It's definitely going to help you look for opportunities on these USD pairs, right? So yeah, that was it for the week, guys. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to be the first to watch when we upload any new content. Don't forget to join our free Telegram channel. Find the link in the description below, and check out our website on mmkforexgroup.co.za. That's mmkforexgroup.co.za. You can also find the link in the description below.